Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working. So first of all, you need to check your connection and you need to check that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is toggled on so you can fix that problem, right? Sometimes you need to actually plug in, or once you actually turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, that should work it out. But another thing to mention, that you need to plug in the the charger or the USB from your car to your iPhone, and then go ahead to your settings to verify that this is you who are using the car, right? So go ahead to the general and then go ahead to the CarPlay, and then your car will be available right here, and make sure that your car is connected to the charger of your iPhone basically, right? And then that should fix that problem, and just make sure that is not the wire is not the problem, the wired connection down here and the wired connection into the car. So if that is not the problem, well, then you basically, here's the biggest thing that's probably going to end up causing the problem. Now if you can verify that's not the problem, but you could try a different or whatever other way that you can do, is making sure that one of your car does support CarPlay, and not every single car out there support the CarPlay. So make sure that your car support the CarPlay. All right, basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.